Is that a Supra? Oh, it's a good Friday when a GR Supra rolls into the shop.
Not the worst day to have a bit of fun, is it?
And rolling in on Workmeisters, I mean, you can't have a more perfect wheel.
It's a complete looking car. I'm still trying to be sold on the new Supras, so your mission today is to sell me on this new Supra.
Bro, I can sell you on this. I mean, this is kind of like a mixture of our perfect cars, because Nick is really into BMWs and Euros. I love my JDM.
Fanboy.
This car has been very divisive in the car community. You know, the whole, is it a Z4, is it a BMW? I mean, yes, it pretty much kind of is a BMW.
It's a lot of a lot, but I think it's the best of a lot of worlds.
But Toyota did put a lot of engineering into this and fine tuning of it to make it a, you know, like a Toyota. So there's not many sports cars out there that are new that you can do a tune on and be pumping 600-700 horsepower. That's pretty amazing. So today we're doing ceramic coating, 20% window tinting, wheel faces and windscreen ceramic coating on this Supra. Let's get it washed. Yo. So we've just finished our decontamination wash on the Supra. Now it's time to do the clay bar process. What a clay bar is it will remove embedded contaminants that you can't get off in a contact wash. So it's kind of like an exfoliator for the paint. It will pull out any contaminants embedded so that when we come to polishing, we're not going to cause any scratching. And when we come to coating, we're not leaving any contaminants behind. So you can see here, even after that strip wash and the iron fallout remover, just how dirty that clay is, just from that half of the roof.
Check out our drying towels. They are the best. You can get them on deluxedetail.com.au. That's what we use every day for our cars. And like so.
So it's very interesting, some of the things we learn about a car during the wash stage when we're up close and personal with the vehicle. This thing was covered in tar. Obviously you saw the clay bars, the contamination over the car. It's obviously been a little bit neglected. So today we've got all day to spend on it to bring it back to life. So now we're going to inspect the paint, figure out our pattern compound combination, get into the single stage paint correction phase, and get this thing looking mint for coating.
Okay, that's us through our polishing stage. We didn't have the most fun, but we got through it. We had to end up hitting it with a bit of harder power with our rotary, a blue pad and a heavy compound. We finished with a black pad and Geon primer. We've had some pretty good results. Time to start coating.
We look buggered because we are buggered.
Yeah.
And it's Nick's birthday today, so hit the like button, comment below, wish him a happy birthday.
It was hard work.
Yeah,
it was hard work, and we got through it.
We got through. I had to wield the rotary to get some results for hours and hours. So we put a bit more into this job than usually what's included in the package, but sometimes we just feel we have to do that to give a
to get some
result.
results sometimes,
Sometimes it takes a bit more.
It was hard work.
But this is a different car now. Yes, there's still lots of defects. This has obviously been a brush wash car, but we've removed like 85% of those defects, and it
Chemical
looks,
stains, and there's fading and all that. But for a car on the road, we're ready to go now.
So it's all protected by Crystal Serum Ultra, wheel faces, windscreen coating, and an interior clean. The customer will be here soon, so super stoked to see what they think of it.
There we go. Make sure you like, subscribe, check out our social medias, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Give us a call, bring your Supras in.
Happy birthday, brother!